Canada is vast, stretching from the Atlantic to the Pacific and up to the Arctic. Think vast forests, towering mountains, and countless lakes. This wild landscape is a giant laboratory. Canadian scientists explore rugged terrains and knowledge frontiers. They peer through microscopes, dive in submersibles, and dig into the earth. Canada boasts the longest coastline in the world. A commitment to research and innovation thrives. Breakthroughs are changing lives for those with genetic diseases. Natural wonder fuels relentless scientific pursuit. Prepare to be amazed. Imagine the deep sea. It's darker than your deepest closet. The pressure is immense, the water frigid. For a long time, scientists thought this was mostly a barren wasteland. Then, Canadian researchers, using the Neptune Ocean Observatory, stumbled upon something extraordinary. Off the coast of British Columbia, miles down, they found a city of eggs. Tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands. These belong to the Pacific white skate, a creature that looks like a flattened shark. These skates had gathered in astonishing numbers, laying their eggs around hydrothermal vents. The warmer water significantly speeds up the incubation of the eggs. This was a revelation. The discovery was made possible by remotely operated vehicles, ROVs. Scientists watched from a control room as images of this incredible scene filled their screens. The sheer density of the egg casings was unlike anything seen before for this species. This was a dedicated long-term breeding ground. The skates were intentionally using the warmth of the vents. This behavior showed a remarkable adaptation to a challenging environment. It also raised new questions. How did the skates find these specific spots? How long have they been doing this? The deep sea, once thought to be relatively static, was proving to be far more dynamic and complex than anyone had imagined. Canada had just pulled back another curtain on its secrets. So, why does a bunch of skate eggs near a hot vent matter? It matters a lot. It tells us that deep-sea creatures are more sophisticated than we thought. They actively use features of their environment to their advantage. This discovery changes our understanding of deep-sea ecology and animal behavior. It suggests that these seemingly harsh environments can support vibrant, concentrated life if conditions are right. This finding also has huge implications for conservation. Deep-sea ecosystems are fragile and increasingly threatened by human activities. Understanding where important biological hotspots like this nursery are located is crucial. This discovery highlights the need for more exploration. There could be countless other such nurseries or unique habitats out there. Protecting these areas is vital for maintaining biodiversity. The warmer water from the vents speeds up egg development, boosting survival rates for young skates. This insight helps scientists build better models of skate populations. It helps us understand their resilience to environmental changes. Ultimately, this deep-sea nursery is a reminder that life is tenacious. It underscores the importance of long-term ocean observation networks like Canada's Neptune. Each new find adds a piece to the giant puzzle of how our planet works. Let's leave the dark depths of the ocean and travel back in time. About 75 million years back to Alberta, Canada. Today it's known for prairies, badlands, and oil. But back then it was a lush, subtropical coastal plain crawling with dinosaurs. Recently, paleontologists have been uncovering an astonishing dinosaur graveyard. Some call it a river of death. It's a site so dense with fossils, it's rewriting parts of the dinosaur story. Imagine a catastrophic event, maybe a massive flood, sweeping away entire herds of dinosaurs, their bodies washed downstream, eventually settling in a bend of a river. Over millions of years they were buried, fossilized, and preserved. That's the scene scientists are piecing together in places like the Danic Bone Bed near Edmonton or various sites in Dinosaur Provincial Park. These aren't just isolated bones, they are finding jumbled masses of skeletons, hundreds, even thousands of individuals packed together. The sheer concentration of fossils is staggering. In some areas you can't walk a few steps without tripping over a piece of dinosaur. These sites are particularly rich in hadrosaurs, the duck-billed dinosaurs. But other species are there too, tyrannosaurids, ankylosaurs, and smaller theropods. It's like a snapshot of an entire ecosystem, frozen in time by disaster. The preservation is often remarkable. Scientists find skin impressions, stomach contents, and evidence of injuries and diseases. Each bone, each fossilized trace tells a part of the story. Unearthing these fossils is painstaking work. Researchers spend months, even years, carefully excavating. They map the location of every bone. It's like a giant three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle with no picture on the box. Alberta's Badlands are truly a treasure trove of ancient life. What do these jumbled piles of old bones actually tell us? A lot, it turns out. These dinosaur graveyards in Alberta are more than just collections of fossils. They are rich archives of prehistoric life and death. The presence of so many individuals of the same species like hadrosaurs in one place strongly suggests they lived in herds. The bone beds provide physical evidence. The way the bones are found also tells a story. Are they all pointing in one direction? This could indicate a strong current, like a flood. Are there bite marks on some bones? This points to scavengers, perhaps tyrannosaurs, feasting after the disaster. By studying the geology of the site, scientists can reconstruct the ancient environment. These mass death assemblages offer insights into dinosaur populations and their vulnerability to environmental changes. Now let's shift from ancient giants and deep-sea mysteries to a battle much closer to home. The fight against cystic fibrosis, or CF. This tough genetic disease primarily attacks the lungs and digestive system. Thick, sticky mucus clogs airways, leading to persistent lung infections. But recently, there's been a revolution in treatment. Canadian science has been a key player in this progress. A pivotal moment was the 1989 discovery of the CFTR gene. This faulty gene causes cystic fibrosis. This was a monumental breakthrough. A new class of drugs called CFTR modulators is transforming lives. Drugs like Trikafta correct the function of the faulty CFTR protein. This means better breathing and improved quality of life. From the inky depths of the Pacific to the ancient Badlands of Alberta and into the intricate workings of human cells, Canadian scientific endeavors are painting a remarkable picture. The discovery of the Pacific White Skate Nursery reveals a hidden, vibrant world. It underscores the resilience of life and the urgent need to protect our oceans. The dinosaur graveyards of Alberta offer a journey through deep time. Each fossil unearthed is a word in an ancient story. Canadian paleontologists are detectives, piecing together clues millions of years old. Their work enriches our understanding of evolution, biodiversity, and the planet's history. The breakthroughs in cystic fibrosis treatment demonstrate science's profound human impact. The relentless pursuit of understanding, from identifying a single gene to developing life-altering therapies, showcases the best of medical research. Canadian contributions have played a vital role in this global success story. In conclusion, Canada's vast landscapes are more than just scenic backdrops. They are crucibles of discovery. The nation's commitment to research fosters a spirit of inquiry that continually pushes the frontiers of knowledge. These recent scientific marvels are emblematic of Canada's enduring role as a leader in scientific exploration and innovation. The quest continues, promising more wonders to uncover, more mysteries to solve, and a brighter future illuminated by the light of discovery.